Hello, gorillas. Today, we're talking about box squats. These are a fantastic way to strengthen the muscles in your glutes and upper back, particularly when used with a barbell. Box squats are a form of compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups. By going from a standing position to sitting on a box and then back up, you're engaging your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. They're perfect for improving strength and balance while also helping prevent injuries. Our workout today combines box squats with other exercises for a well-rounded workout that will leave you feeling strong and confident. So let's get started. Remember to always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new fitness routine, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions or haven't been active in a while. Start with sets of 25 on box squats and gradually increase the weight as you progress. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.
Started off with the bar, 45, 25, then I'm about to have 35. About to die. Let's go. One tired shit. Shit on fire. I be trying not to sit down. Till my boys say, you don't get paid to sit on your ass. That shit's clutch.